let's redo this Dollar General sign from fall into a super cute tray. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I got this tray at 90% off. Yes, it was $8, so of course I didn't pay that much. I removed the handle and I painted it all black. This is a multi-surface paint that I used. Let it dry. Then I'm going to measure the inside and I'm going to use some Dollar Tree faux leather. And I'm going to cut it to the size of the inside of that frame. Perfect. I'm going to put down some Mod Podge. This is just a matte Mod Podge, nothing special or crazy. And I'm just going to adhere our faux leather to the inside. And you know what? I'll be honest with you. I was thinking all sorts of different things like, I could do so many different things. But we're going to stay focused and we're going to do a tray. Now I have another piece of faux leather and a piece of clothesline. And I'm going to glue the clothesline to the faux leather like we're doing here. And then we're going to actually put more glue on top of the clothesline and we're going to wrap the clothesline with the faux leather. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, I'll be honest with you, but I had a vision and I was like, let's just try and see. And again, that is, I will say again, it is the beauty of Dollar Tree stuff where you could try things out that you're not sure it's going to work and you're not breaking the bank, right? If it doesn't work, oh well. But so see how I put more glue on top and now I'm just really squeezing that faux leather into the cotton clothesline and there it is. So then I'm going to just trim it so that it is one long strip. And we're going to do that for two, right? We're going to do two of those. And there it is. Look at it. It looks like a handle. Oh! Then I put some hot glue on the back. If you can use E6000, absolutely use it. I have allergies, so I can't. But I put a bunch of hot glue on the back. I am using Gorilla Glue, hot glue, so it, it's a little more durable. And then I'm going to glue each end of the handle to the back. There was a lot of processing with this because I'm like, well, how am I going to make, because you don't want them to stick straight out like that. So we had to do some problem solving. I glued the other side on, obviously, because we have handles. We wanted symmetric. Here's what I went wrong. I totally went wrong here. I stapled I thought I was being slick. I wasn't, because look at what happened. Dag nabbit. So don't do that, okay? And I removed the staples. So then I put a little glue on the other side of the handle and then I just took some little finishing nails and hammered them in so that the handle would stay upright. And I'm just hammering it into the frame and it worked like a dream. And I'll be honest with you, it looks decorative. I suppose you could get brass ones or different colored ones, but these ones were what I had. And stop it. Look at, I was so happy. Then I, of course, have to distress it. So I took a little sandpaper and just went over and sanded it. And then if you want to go to the next level, I used my homemade rub and buff and put it on the edge. And look at I am so excited. Look at how cool this is. I love it. Minus the stupid marks from the staples, darn it all. But look at how pretty this is. Oh, there's so many options you can use it for. I love upcycling stuff. I don't know about you, but anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.